Hey, what is up guys? So I'm going to be making a video showing you how to multiply multiple cells in pretty much any spreadsheet. I'm not sure if this works in Excel, but essentially instead of doing something like equals this data set times this, there's actually a formula for it, and it's equal product. And then you just select the range. The reason I'm making this video is because I don't really see too many videos on YouTube showing you how to do this, so this might help someone with their own. Same thing works with multiple cells. So if you want to multiply like a matrix like that, you could do that. Strange. There we go. So that's how you multiply multiple cells. Alright, take care.